In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the secondary air valve on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. I'm just going to remove this cover, just pop the front up. It's just clipped in. That opens up. Take the wires out. We're going to remove this cover, use an 8mm socket, take these screws out. There's two in the back. Grab the cover, slide it up, out of the way. Now we're going to remove this hose, just push down on the tabs, and it slides off. We'll remove it on the pump as well, just so we have more room. All you gotta do is squeeze the tabs, and that releases the locks. Take that out. Using a 10mm socket, we can take these nuts off. Use a magnet, take the nut off. There's another one on the other side. And get the other nut. Take that nut off. Grab the valve. And it slides right off. Now take the gasket off. If you need to, you can use a scraper. Just get underneath there. And just clean up some of the area where the gasket was. Use a razor blade or a scraper. And just wipe it down with a rag. And some brake parts cleaner. Now put the gasket on. Take the valve, slide it over the studs. Get the nuts started. If you have a socket with a magnet, it makes it a little easier. And we'll torque these nuts to 72 inch-pounds. I'm going to take this hose, line this up, click it onto the air pump, and click it onto the valve. That'll lock in place. Put the cover on. And get the screws started. Snug those down. There we go. And take this cover. Get the wires slid in position. Top on. and latch it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.